Hi, I'm Brad Lister from Goldstone Financial Services. Goldstone Financial Services specialize in arranging mortgages in the UAE market. When you're looking for property in Dubai, it's important to understand both the process and requirements for what you're looking to buy. It's a different market, and you need to be educated when you're making such an important decision. The first step in understanding this process is knowing what you can afford to buy. You need to know what your deposit is so you can drive where you're looking. With Raine Horne, once you understand this, the agents will expertly guide you to the right properties in the right area to meet your goals. How does Goldstone help in this process? We specialize in arranging mortgages in the UAE market. These mortgages can be complex and confusing for people that are entering it for the first time. We'll sit down with you, we'll understand your requirements, what you need, and what you have. Once we understand these things, it'll be easy for you. When you're looking to purchase a property in Dubai, whether it's as an investor or to live in it yourself, there are some key things you need to be aware of. In Dubai, the central bank regulates certain things that the banks are able to do to help you. The first thing that you should be looking at is how much deposit do you have? The central bank stipulates that UAE nationals can have 80% borrowed to purchase a house. That means they need to have 20% deposit. Residents, 75%, the bank can lend. 25% you must have yourself. If you don't have these key components, we're not even able to look for a property. So it's important to understand this process. Another component to be aware of is how old are you? In the UAE, the central bank stipulates that you must have paid off all liabilities by the time you're 65 years old. That means if you're 40, looking for a property and wanting to take a mortgage, the maximum time you can have a loan is 25 years. And if you're 50, 15. This is something that is a key component as it drives how quickly you must pay off the loan, and something we should consider when looking at what property we're going to purchase. The next important question is, what's your monthly salary? In the UAE, the central bank regulates the debt-to-burden ratio, or DBR if you're using the acronym. This is what the bank is allowed to lend you based on how much you earn. If you're a salaried individual in the UAE, the bank requires that you have no more than 50% of your monthly income used to pay any debts. That includes cars, credit cards, and your mortgage. So if you earn 20,000 dirham per month, only 10,000 of that can be used to pay off any debts. This is a very important component. For business owners or self-employed people, this is considered 50% of your annual net profit. Thank you for your time today. If you have any other questions or need help, please feel free to contact us on 800 RH Dubai. Alternatively, you can call us on 04 366 3200, or just simply leave a comment on any of our social media channels. One of our team will be contacting you within the next 24 hours. Thank you again.